Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Debakuvarshani and this is Wondershare Filmora. Here in this video, I will show you how to combine multiple clips on any track. Like for example, this is video track. So if you want to combine all these edited clips, you can combine them. And also if you want to combine audio clips, you can also combine them. So sometime if we want to make changes in all clips together, we have to make it one by one. So if you combine all together, then you can apply all those filter and settings. So if you don't want to spend too much time applying all those settings in different clip, you can combine one and then apply all together. So it's very important that if you combine, then it saves you a lot of time. So here you can select all the clips which you want to combine. So in this video, this is intro clip, and it was one video from this point till here, and I have edited them, removed unnecessary parts, so it becomes 3 different clips, and at the end it is image. So this is just for example that you can also combine image with your clip. It is not necessary that whole video is supposed to be one original video. You can combine with any kind of video. So for that you can select whatever clips you want to combine. So I'm combining here all together. So select all of them or select whatever you want to combine, then right click on it, and then you can choose create compound clip, or you can also use shortcut keys Alt+G. So I'm clicking here, and then you can just say OK, or you can rename, because it is saying name this compound clip. You will be able to find it in your project folder. So wherever I have saved this project, it will show there. So I will just say combine 01. So now here you can see it becomes whole one clip, and because in first intro video the audio was already there, so it is showing with audio. And here I will show you how the image is appearing. So you can see the video is still here, and then image combine it like this. Now let's see how it works for audio. So procedure is same. So basically I wanted to show that we can also combine audio clip as well. So procedure is same, but this time I'm trying with shortcut key, which was Alt+G. Shortcut key can be different for your computer. You just have to check by using right click and what does it shows on your computer for create compound clip. So this is Alt+G for me. So this is default shortcut key, so you can try same. So let me select all, then Alt+G, and then you can say combine 02 or whatever you want to give. So you can see now it has combined whole one audio setting. So if I combine, I can apply any changes in terms of volume or noise in one whole clip rather than applying all in different clip. And here also I can make changes in whole one clip rather than all different. So it's very helpful. The other way is like to export it and then re-upload it here, but it is longer. So this is very useful and handy if you want to work faster on Filmora. So this is how you can combine, join or merge different clips on Wondershare Filmora. If you have any comment or feedback, please drop them in the comment box below. Subscribe to our channel, like the video and share it with your friends. I will see you in the next video. Till then, you take care. Goodbye.